Hey folks, well gone. So I know I haven't picked up the camera in a really long time, but tonight I feel like I should because I want to share something with you. So since I've been here, tonight is the third night that I've received a tornado warning on my phone, right? And tonight, I think the first time I was really scared, but when I looked outside, nobody looked frightened, nobody looked like they were rushing. I kept looking at the sky and I followed the update and whatever, all of that, and eventually the anxiety calmed down and it went away. Shit, the lightning's really bad. Last night was another one, or was it night before, something like that, but it wasn't really, I don't know, I didn't feel any fear that time and whatever. But tonight I'm actually scared, more than the first night when I never know what did I keep. I'd like to show you outside, but I can't do that without showing you where I live. So I'm not gonna do that, but it's windy, and what I don't like is that to me it seemed like the wind is coming from more than one direction, and I don't like that. Plus there's a whole heap of lightning, rain is coming down, people look like they're rushing about, and I don't like that. We did do a little bit of research before I came and found out shortly after I came, I don't know, babe do the research, not me. And Saskatchewan is apparently known for tornadoes. I feel like, I don't feel like these big massive ones, but the risk is there, and tonight I'm afraid. So there is one thing that is new for me. Tornadoes, really? Anyway, it's looking really bleak outside. It is now, I don't know what time is it? It's 9 o'clock. It's not dark yet, but it'll be soon. Yeah, I'm afraid. That's honestly not true. I'm afraid, but we'll see. Yeah, I wish I could, like, I really want to show you guys outside, but safety issue and all that. So yeah. This is yeah, I will update you guys whether that be today or tomorrow. The lightning is freaking me out. It's bad. And it seems like the wind is one way because the trees are going one way first and then they go another way, and I don't like that. I feel like that means something's going on close. I don't really know, but yeah, it was really, really hot today. So I don't even know, but no, man, I can't sleep. All I'm gonna do is make sure some my eyes fixed outside. Yeah, so update you guys later. Hey folks, what's going on? I'm going to the supermarket for, to pick up a few little things, and I thought I would take you guys with me to kind of show you what you could get at the supermarket. It won't be a lot. It's not like a big trip or anything. It's just like a stopgap trip, which I'm finding out I have to do more regularly than I like. But anyway, I thought it would be useful to show this because let me tell you, food in this place is expensive. Okay, pretty expensive. So I just want to show you what my bill is. I'm hoping I can keep it about $100, and I will show you what I get for that. So if you want to see that, keep watching. 1, 2, and we're heading to the cashier. Okay, maybe 2 of these could work. They're nice. All right, so like I said, I have a $100 budget, and I don't know if you can hear me because the wind is pretty strong. But I just spent $15 out of my budget in Dollarama. So $85. Let's see if we're gonna make it or bust. By the way, I'm looking to buy fruits, water, juice, some sugar, some snacks, and some breakfast items. I think that's it. Oh, and some potatoes and yams. It's very hard to stir this thing. Okay, it's very hard to stir this thing with one hand. So anyway, I definitely want a piece of this, and that is $2.49 per pound. Let's feel that maybe 2. So once up my fruit. Oh god, these things annoy me because I feel like $5 is so expensive, but at the same time, I'm not really trying to manga them. I have no taste, not to me anyway. But a little tubs of pineapple for $5. Judge, anyway, go with a little cantaloupe. And what else? Maybe some banana. There's some price for some fruit. Got a kiwi for 99 cents, a bag of apples for $5.99 per pound, $7.99 each for a bag of grapefruits. Apples $6.99 per pound. You get the idea. And then there's the vegetables. Looking a little bit like the same thing. Oh, so the banana they may arrive. Okay. God. So, no. Banana yellow carbine. I feel like that's something a Jamaican would say. So the people in banana look carbine. Last time, oh, here it is. I was just about to say last time I came in here, I found some plantains. And me is a green plant lover, the green and the bitter. Yeah. Definitely gonna get me some of these babies. I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go find a bigger one. 6. Alright. Try still buy some bananas. I don't know, them are gonna ripe good. I don't even know. Like, you know what? At home you can trust that the banana them go ripe good. I don't know if these ones will, but here we go. I also need some tomatoes. But let me use so much. Me don't need so much. But that's another thing too. Like, you might not need a lot of something, but sometimes you're forced to buy more than you need. And I don't like that. No, this is the same amount. $3.99. Okay. I think we're gonna go with this. No, sir. They even, no, sir. They look like they're old for ripe and spoil quick. You know what? I'll live without the tomatoes. In these here times, I will live. This is man in one way. So we're gonna go around here. And I'm gonna get some potatoes, and I think it's within my best interest to get the bag. Not like what a bag for you do. Also, I don't like these sweet potatoes. I love sweet potatoes, but the one that look like the ones that are from back home, I don't like them. They're white. Them no look healthy and yellow, like, you know, like them one here. I thought them would be close to back home, but them not healthy and yellow. When you them not healthy and yellow when you cut them. When you boil them tough and them white. So, oh, them bag a big door. Jesus. But alright, I go. I don't even know how much for this. $6.99 for 10 pounds. And I'm gonna get it because wait, $4.99 for 5 pounds. 10 pounds, 5 pounds. You know what? I'm gonna go for this because it's cheaper. The budget. And so the sweet potato them when we talk, them here them look like potato from back home. Then call it Asian yams. Maybe Asian yam for chuka. I don't know what that. And then there are these that kind of look like sweet potatoes. I thought they were sweet potatoes at first. I don't know if they call it yam, but it match more of the sweet potato vibe when you buy it to me. So we'll get some of them here.
What's that?
So last time when they come, I'm gonna buy some meat. Some don't need any, but I definitely need like some muffins and some egg and so. Remember, budgets. The muffins, and these are their cost. Cranberry orange. That's not like a nice flavor. I can try. Okay. Space issue I beat my butt, but anyway, this is what I was saying before, that a single chicken is about $15. This is about 2. I'm gonna give us the price on it, but they have some packets that have 2 chickens, like this one right here. Ratty them some old frying chicken, and that I mean. And these are pork slices, like $5.99. Them have it seasonal field, them have the big old ribs, them and something and sausages and whatever, but you get the point. I get some bacon. That's the cost. Now I need some eggs. Creamer for my coffee. Eggs. Egg. Some of those supposed to go on cheap egg. Okay, so these juices I really like, and I'm kind of hooked. So I'm gonna get a couple of these. $4 each. And yeah, I really like them. So yeah. We'll need water. Oh, thank God there's a keys. And this is $2.99. Why am I forgot to put on the phone? I'll leave you. At the stores, they have a bulk section, so you can get tons of stuff in bulk. This is seasonings and so on in bulk. I'm looking for sugar. They got curry powder, coriander, cumin, coarse salt, sea salt, beans. Over here they've got quinoa and oats and flour and rice and all the things that we used to. Them have nuts and so forth that they do in bulk as well. You can even buy cereal, like grain stuff in bulk. You can buy like chocolate if you're into baking, and sprinkles and those kind of things, and chocolate bits and things like that. Come down here, so come show now. So them sell candies in bulk as well. So like jelly beans and gummy bears and gumballs and things like that. I really like that about this. So yeah. Me, I look sugar. Let's get back to that.
These skies have a different light, white noise that keeps me up at night. I can't help but think back to you. I wish that I could find a face that I would recognize. I replay the memory of you. It's been hard, you know I wanted to stay, caught us off guard, but there was no other way. Did you wait?
Okay, so I can't film as much as I wanted to because space issues, you know how it is. But we're done now, and I'm heading to the cashier. This is what my cart looks like, minus the big old bag in the middle. Some juice, water, my fruits and things like that. So you see, it's not too heavy, but good, so the budget has set away. Okay, so I'm back home. This is my grocery bag. The receipt somewhere here, but suffice to say the budget is plus. But I'm gonna take them out and put them up here so and show you what I got. Okay, so this the receipt here. So the total there, $135. And this is what I got for that. It's not too much stuff, but them some here I make it from the Dollar Tree. The container them plus the battery. And then as you can see, paper towels, some juice, almond milk, and that's something here for sweeten my coffee because I can't drink dairy. Some juice. Me did end up get some chicken wings, bacon, a little bit of fruit, so some cantaloupe and pizza, that, some cheese, sugar, coffee, some muffin, potato, banana, sweet potato and plantain, plus the water. See the water there? That's the bag empty. So yeah. I know that's probably not like a good show and tell, but yeah. Every time I try to make this last like 2 weeks, it never really lasts. It'll give me like 1.5 around this. So yeah, that's what grocery shopping is like. I don't know if it's because of what's going on in the economy everywhere, but I find Canada to be expensive. So if you're thinking of coming, think about that. And it's also one of those things too, because where I'm glad that I've taken the decision to come here to a smaller city, because Toronto is expensive, right? And plus with housing and everything, at least some things can be affordable here. So there's that. But as far as me concerned, this is expensive for me, and I'm alone. Yeah, so yeah,